Hello, Sanam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
Yes, sir, I am fine. And what about you, sir?
I'm great, as usual.
Yes,
Just
sir,
teaching
that's
and teaching.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we are going to cover up 10 commonly used formal versus informal words, which we must know while conversating with other people.
Yes,
Well, now, next word is breakdown. Breakdown. And
breakdown,
its meaning is collapse, right?
collapse. Okay,
Yeah.
sir, collapse.
So
Yes, sir.
you can either say that it was a breakdown in the building. On the place of this, you can say a building collapsed. A building collapsed.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you please tell me one sentence?
Yes, sir. Our economy collapsed due to unemployment and poverty and hunger also. Yes,
Very good. Our next word is childish, like children. Childish.
childish.
Yes. And on the place of childish
Yes,
word, we can use infantile. Infantile.
infantile.
Yes. So if I'm saying that many times your childish behavior makes me laugh, I can say your infantile behavior makes me laugh many times. Like this, I can say.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir.
can you tell me one sentence,
And
please?
yes, 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 sir. And we should not do infantile behavior on great post.
Okay. Next word is live. Live, live.
Live,
And on the place of this word, we can use reside. Okay.
reside.
Yes, reside.
Okay, sir.
So if someone is saying that I live in
Okay, sir.
America, he can say I reside in America.
Okay, sir. And
Yeah.
my
Now, can you tell
sentence
me one
is that
sentence? Yes.
yeah, yeah, sir. I'm learning English so that I can go so that I reside in America.
Okay.
I'm
So your
learning
sentence
English
should
so
be
that I yes,
I
sir.
could reside in
I reside
America.
in America.
I could reside in America. The sentence should
I
be like
could
this.
reside in America.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, next word is job. Job, job. And on the place of this word job,
Job. Yes, sir.
you can say, yes, you can say occupation. Occupation.
Occupation.
Yes.
Occupation.
For example, if I'm asking someone else, if I'm asking somebody, what's your job? What's your job? I can say, what's your occupation? What's your occupation?
Okay, sir.
Like this. Because
Okay, sir.
it brings more beauty to your conversation.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now please tell
And
me
my
sentence.
sentence is yes, sir. You have great occupation that you are teaching English because English is very important language for nowadays.
Thank you very much. I know it was just not a sentence.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. Now next word is go up. Go up means increase.
Go up.
Yeah, hike.
Okay, sir.
So on the place of go up,
Yes, sir.
we can use increase word. For example, petrol prices are going up day by day. So on the going up, we can use this. We can say the sentence that petrol prices are increasing day by day.
Okay, sir. And my sentence is we can increase our financial condition due to hard work.
Very good. My next word is stand for. Stand for means you can say represent.
Stand for.
Yes, stand for, represent.
Represent.
For example, we can say that BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. Means BA represents Bachelor of Arts
Okay, sir.
degree.
Okay, sir.
Now you.
We can say, sir, yes, sir. Narendra Modi will represent our country on UN convention.
Very good. Now,
Yes,
my next word is seems. Seems. And on the place of seems, you can use appear. Appear. Okay?
appear. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Appear.
So if I want to say
Yes,
that
sir.
it seems that you are not happy today. It seems that you are not happy today. I can also say that it appears to me that you are not happy today. Appears.
Yes, sir. And now my sentence is my brother appears like hero on stage when he wears black shirt.
Okay. Wow. That's really
Yes, sir.
nice sentence. And I hope it should be true.
Yes, sir. It is true. Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
true.
Wow. It means you love your
Yes,
brother
sir.
very much.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Next is I think. I think. And on the place of I think, we can say in my opinion. Right?
In my opinion.
So
Okay, sir.
in my opinion,
In my
on the place
opinion.
of I think, on the place of I think. So if you
Okay.
are saying that I think we should implement new rules in India. I think we should implement new rules in India. You can say that in my opinion, we should implement new rules in India. In my opinion. Now, please, can you tell me one sentence? Whatever
Okay, sir.
sentence will do. Yes, it's your own sentence.
Okay, sir. And in my opinion, this session will be amazing for every English learner
Very good. Thank you so much.
and
I
very
know that
useful
was
for yes, sir. Yes, sir.
very useful for learners who wants to learn something.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next word is but. And on the place of but, we can use however. Yes. However. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
we can use the sentence like this, that you're speaking very well. You are speaking very well, but you are making some mistakes. And on the place of but, we can say you're
Okay, sir.
speaking very well. You're speaking very well. However, you're making many mistakes. Okay, now it's your turn. It was just a
Okay, sir.
sentence.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I am little good writer. However, my handwriting is not good.
Okay, no problem. It will
Yes.
be improved
Yes,
one
sir.
day if you keep practicing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Sonam. So today we have covered 10 very common
Yes.
and very basic words. We use them frequently. We are not aware about their advanced uses. So today we have covered them.
Yes, sir.
And from today onwards,
Yes,
I
sir.
can expect from you that you will use those words in your conversation. Whenever you will try to converse with someone else,
Yes,
you
sir.
would use those
Definitely.
words.
Yes, sir. I will
Right?
use.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much for attending the session. It was a very nice session for me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Yes. So This is
Yes,
the
sir.
end from my side. Bye. Have a nice time. Good day.
Have a nice day, sir.